Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you find what I do here interesting or informational or educational, or if none of those, at least entertaining. I really hope you like what I do here, and I hope you like it so much that you watch the rest of my videos and subscribe. Help me out, help my channel grow. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you are a returning viewer or a subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I would not be able to grow without you, so you guys are instrumental in what happens with this channel, so thank you very much. That being said, I just want to jump into this real quick today, and I did a video, I don't know, a week or so ago about a script that will show me what windows I have open on what workspaces, and it was a pretty basic script. It was about, I don't know, 4 lines or so, just a couple variables, and then a dmenu script that popped up that would show what window was open and what desktop it was on. Well, I've done a little bit of editing and updating to that. It's still not perfect, but it has a little bit more functionality than it did before, and it is definitely a lot more usable and a lot more useful than it was prior. Not that being able to see your windows and workspaces wasn't useful, but this is just a little more. So let's go ahead and open up a terminal here. Let's clear the screen and zoom in, and then I am going to vim into my .local, oops, not /local, .local, and then scripts, and you can see it's already going to autocomplete for me my windows.sh script, and we're going to go ahead and hit enter, and that's going to bring us into that. Basically what I've got here is I've got a couple different variables. I've got the open variable, I have the close variable, and then I have a workspace that actually creates a dmenu out of the open variable that I have, and then I have a close win dmenu that creates a dmenu out of the close variable up here. And what these variables do is they just run the wmctrl command -l, which is going to list all my windows and all my workspaces. It's going to give all kinds of information, window ID and all that. But what I did is I piped that into awk to give me just the information I want. I have it sorted nicely in numerical order here, and then I have it piped into column to actually line everything up nicely. I have 2 other options, kill and cancel. So basically what we're going to do, what it does is when I hit my mod W key, which is what I have this bound to, so mod W, for me my mod key is the alt key, the left alt key. I press mod W or alt W, it runs workspace, which then echoes open, which is this variable here, and it pipes that into dmenu, and it lists all my windows. So let me show you. If I hit alt W, then we can see right here in the middle of the screen, I have open windows as the prompt, and it has on workspace 0, which is really workspace 1. It starts counting at 0. I've messed around with this a lot trying to change the numbers. If I put a +1 after this 2 here, it will change these numbers correctly, but then when you try to actually use them in another command, it doesn't see them because it doesn't recognize that as an actual workspace. So that being said, I have to leave them here. You got to do a little bit of math. So instead of seeing it when you see 0, it's where it really workspace 1, which means when you see 8, it's really workspace 9, excuse me. And then we have kill and cancel. So basically this workspace variable right here, or this workspace command, runs echo on that open variable and pipes into dmenu, gives you this menu. So let's escape out of there. So that's the first thing that happens, is that menu pops up. Well, as we go through it, if we select in that menu, if we select kill, then basically what it's going to do is it's going to print out another dmenu, and that's going to be this close win dmenu, which actually echoes this close variable into dmenu and prints that out. So if I do a mod W, launch that script or launch that menu again, and I go down to kill, and I scroll down to the kill option and hit enter, now you can see the information is a little bit different on this one. It still gives you the title of the window, and it gives you what workspace it's on, but I also have the window ID number up here. Now I have that window ID number there, and this information is a little bit more sloppy looking. Well, I guess not sloppy, but there's a lot. It's not as pretty, I guess. It's not as clean looking. But unfortunately, I have to have this window ID if I want to be able to kill a specific window. I can kill windows without this window ID, but the problem is if I have multiple Alacrity terminals open, or if I have multiple instances of Brave open, it just randomly picks one to kill. It won't. I couldn't get it to kill the specific one on the specific workspace. It just kind of goes in order. So if you have the window ID number here, then you can specifically pick which window you're going to kill and kill that one. So let's go ahead and escape out of there. So basically if you pick the kill selection in the workspace when this D menu pops up. Then it's going to print out that other menu, and then you choose from that. If you select exit from that, so if we do mod W and we go down to kill and you got nothing, so if we go down here to cancel, it basically just exits right out of it with no issue. If you don't exit and you select one of the options, so let's go in and let's launch that again and go to kill. We're going to do that. Now we have Alacrity open and we have Simple Screen Recorder open. Actually, let's exit out of that. Let's go back to Workspace 2 here and let's launch Qt Browser. Now I don't have any internet hooked up right now because I'm sitting in my truck, but you can see I've got a web page that pops up. So now if we come over here to the menu, and now let's hit Alt W. Now you can see I've got Qt Browser right here on Workspace 1, which is actually Workspace 2. If I scroll down and go to Qt Browser and select it, you can see it takes me to that one. If I scroll down to Alacrity, it'll take me to that. If I scroll down to Simple Screen Recorder, it takes me to that. So you can see it moves between the windows now instead of just listing them as well. But now if we want to kill a window, actually let's go back to Alacrity. And let's open that up again. Let's go down to kill. Now I go move down here and I select Qt Browser. Now you can see Qt Browser is right here. It's on Workspace 1, which is really Workspace 2, and it gives you the window ID number. Now if I select that one instead of going down to cancel and I hit enter, if we go back over here to Workspace 2, you can see it's killed the window. Workspace 1 is still good, Workspace 9 is still good, but Workspace 2 has now been killed. So basically, if you go in and you select kill, it prints out that other menu. You scroll down. If you go to cancel, it exits. If you don't and you select one of the windows, it's going to kill that window. And that's that. So if you select kill, that's what happens. Otherwise, when Workspace menu pops up, if you just select cancel, it's going to exit just like it does up here when the close win menu. But so if you have kill, it's going to let you choose a window to kill or exit. If you select cancel, it's just going to exit. And if you just actually go through and select one of the workspaces, it will move you to that workspace. So again, pretty simple. Just hit mod W for me, because that's what I set it up for as a keybind, but you can set it up to whatever keybind you want. And if I want to go to Simple Screen Recorder, I scroll down to Workspace 8, which is again really 9, and you hit enter. It takes me over there. Oh, now I want to go back. So we're going to go to Alacrity. We're going to hit that and go back. If I go in and I hit kill, let's say we're just going to go ahead and kill the script picture here. So we're going to kill Alacrity. And yeah, look at that. So we can now list the windows that we have open on all the workspaces. We can move to whatever window we want to on whatever workspace from the menu. And we can kill whatever window we want to from on whatever workspace strictly from that menu. So nice and easy, nice real simple way to see your windows, move to your windows, and kill your windows without having to jump around in your workspaces a bit. I hope you find this interesting. I hope this works for you. I hope you get some use out of it. It's really helpful to me because, like I said, in my old age, I have a hard time remembering what window I have on what workspace, and I end up jumping around workspace to workspace just trying to find stuff. So this really helped me out. Hopefully it'll help you out too. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day, great weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Love you all. God bless.